I had so many bananas left over, and so I decided to make a banana bread. Let me show you how I made this really healthy whole wheat banana bread. I started by prepping all the ingredients just to make my life easier. I also have the ingredients on the screen, so pause the video and take a screenshot. To make the bread, I started by peeling all my bananas, adding them to a bowl and mashing them up. I find it's easier to mash the bananas first before adding the rest of the ingredients, because you don't want to be mashing up the bananas in a bowl full of other ingredients. It can get quite messy. I don't know why I was using a tiny little fork to mash the bananas. I remembered I had a potato masher, so I grabbed that real quick. It made things so much easier. Now that I'm done mashing up the bananas, it is time to crack the eggs. I like to crack my eggs in a separate bowl because when I used to live in South Africa, sometimes when you crack an egg, you'd find that it's really bad on the inside, so I'm still traumatized from that. It is quite interesting that I haven't experienced that since I moved here though. I wonder what that is. Maybe the farming process is different, who knows? I don't know. I don't know about you, but I always have to remove the blood spot and the white gooey stuff in the eggs before I cook them. It just makes me feel better. I was told that my videos are not long enough, so I'm trying to make my videos a little bit longer by including all the steps. And now I'm just going to be adding all the wet ingredients together. And now I'm just adding a little sour cream. Initially I wanted to use Greek yogurt, but I was out, and so I used sour cream instead. But if you have Greek yogurt, definitely use it. You can also use cottage cheese blended up for some extra protein. I've been on a high protein kick lately. After giving everything a good mix, it is time to add the rest of the ingredients. I added a lot of cinnamon because I love cinnamon, so you can just add as much as you like or as little as you like. The walnuts are optional. You can use chocolate chips, raisins, whatever you like, but I had walnuts and I wanted to use them. And now it is time to bake. I am baking this banana bread at 350 for about 30 to 35 minutes. My oven is pretty quick, like it bakes everything really fast. And there you have it, some delicious whole wheat banana bread. I really don't know why it cracked so much on top. Maybe one day I'll find the answer. Either way, it tasted really good, and this is how it looks on the inside. Really soft. And it smelled so good. The husband wanted the first piece. Anyway, please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!